These are fine specimens of the Jew's or jelly ear, Auricula-judae, growing on an elder tree in the grounds of Spiers near Beith. This particular fungus is edible, can be confused with other fungi. Found mainly on elders, occasionally on elm trees. Its name is not an insult. Judas Iscariot, who betrayed Christ, said to have hung himself on an elder tree. The fact that this fungus classically grows on elders, that's the origin of the term Jew's ear. The Latin name also means basically ear, Jew, Auricularia, Auricula-judae. It's a bracket type of fungus, although the brackets don't last very long. They do rot down quite quickly. Very, very ear-like in appearance. Hi dogs.